Good morning, students. As you know, our fourth chapter is going on, that is multiplication. Today we will learn the topic multiply vertically. So, following are the steps given that we will read and understand how we can do multiplication vertically. So, step 1 is given, arrange the multiplicand and the multiplier vertically. First, we have to always अरेंज द नंबर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्लेस वैल्यूज़. जब हम प्लेस वैल्यूज़ के अकॉर्डिंग अरेंज करेंगे देन वी कैन बी एबल टू मल्टीप्लाई द सम करेक्टली. और अगर आप उसे अरेंज नहीं करेंगे, अगर अरेंज ही उसका अरेंजमेंट ही रॉन्ग होगा देन द आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग ओनली. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज कि अरेंज द मल्टीप्लिकेंट एंड मल्टीप्लायर vertically according to their place values. Step 2, start multiplying from ones column and regroup wherever required. So always we start any kind of sum, either it is addition or subtraction or multiplication, we always start from the ones place. So here also we will start from ones place. So you can see children, example is given, multiply 248 by 3. Solution we will see after the explanation of the solution. So step 1, multiply the ones. So 3 8s are 3 8s is 24. So 4 we will write here, 2 we will give carry to the place of tens. So again we will, second step is multiply the tens. So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 14, 4 we will write here and 1 we will give to the place of hundreds. 1 is the carry. Now 3 2 ja 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Clear hai? Ab this is the explanation for multiplication of vertically. Now we will see the exercise related to it. Exercise 4a, find the product of the following by vertical method. So children, you can see I have done in book only, but you have to do these questions in copy. First question is 174 multiply by 3. So children, it is already arranged. जब कभी arrange नहीं होगा then we have to arrange it first, then we will solve it. So here it is already arranged, so we have to do only multiplication. So let's start from ones. 3 4s are 12. 2 we will write here, 1 we will give carry to the place of tens. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So 2 we will write here and 2 we will give carry to the place of hundreds. 3 1s are 3 and 2 carry 4 5. So 522 is the answer of question number A. Question number B, 4513. Multiplier is 4. 4513 is multiplicand and the multiplier is 4. So let's start from the hundreds or ones place. 4 3s are 12. 2 we will write here and 1 we will give carry. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 5s are 20. Here no carry is given, so 4 5s are 20. 0 we will write here and 2 we will give carry. 4 4s are 16. 2 carry 18. So 18,052 is the answer of question number B. Clear hai beta? Now question number C, 1804 multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 6 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. Now children, at the place of tens it is given 0. So हमने इसके पहले वाली क्लास में ये देखा था कि when any number will be multiplied by 0 तो answer will be 0 only. But here 4 4s are 16, 1 carry is written there, तो 4 0 0 will become, but 1 carry is written, so we will write 1 here. ठीक है, 4 0 0 होता है and 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 will be written here. 4 8s are 32. 2 we will write here. 3 will be carry. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. So 7216 is the answer. of question number C. Question number D, 2054 multiply by 5. 5 fours are 20, 0 we will write here, 2 we will give carry, 5 fives are 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 27, 7 we will write here, 2 again we will give carry. Again you can see here 0 is written, so 5 multiplied by 0 will be 0 and 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 twos are 10, so 1 0 we will write here. 10,270 is the answer of question number D. Question number E, 6,157 multiply by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 4 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 we will write here, 1 will be carry, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 sixes are 12. 12,314 is the answer of question number E. Question number F now, 3,143 multiply by 9. 9 threes are 27, 7 we will write here, 2 will be carry given to the place of tens. So 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 2, 37, 38. 8 we will write here, 3 we will give carry at the place of 100. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 3 will be 12. 2 we will write here, 1 will be given carry to the place of 1000. 9 threes are again 27 and 27 plus 1 is 28. So children, 28,287 is the answer of question number F. So this is vertical method of multiplication. Children, if you will have any problem, you can ask me. These 6 questions A, B, C, D, E, F you have to do in your maths classwork copy. Now homework is learn the table of 15, 16 and 17 and write it in your copy. Clear hai? 15, 16, 17 learn the table of 15, 16 and 17 and write it in your maths classwork copy. Thank you and have a nice day.